to Jyoti Jia Love. Now, if you follow me, if you watch all my videos, then you must know that few days ago I and Payal visited Esplanade, that is New Market, and we also did little vlogging and all for you all. So if you haven't watched that video, then please click on this I link and do go and watch that video also. So we purchased little bit. I purchase very little things because you know I go Esplanade many times and you can call it my second home because I love that place, and you get so many things there with so affordable range and also with like not so cheapo kind of quality, and it's like okayish with if you compare it with the price. So but yeah, I used to talk with Payal so much that she used to say me, you know, Jyoti, I purchased this or I ordered this, and I was like, I asked her that come, let's go to Esplanade once, let's see there, and you should specially go and visit Ray and Sao. And if you don't know what's Ray and Sao, then again click. So she purchased a hell lot of things, and if you haven't watched her video also, go and check out her video because she's also going to do a haul. This is not any collab or anything, but you know, just promoting. So I purchased very few things from there, and still I thought I should share it with you all. So if you want to know what all I got, then please keep on watching. So if you are a mom, then you can a bit relate with me that whenever we go somewhere and we see some things and we are always like ये मेरी बेटी को होगा या ये मेरे बेटे को होगा kind of, तो वो मेरे साथ हमेशा होता है. So the first thing I bought is for Jia, and they are these cute little shoes, as you can see. If you again follow me on Insta, then you might know that I had purchased same shoes but in other color, and this was pink and I wanted a pink color for her, so that's why I purchased this. As you can see, it's so soft and so furry and it's so comfortable, not only from outside but also from inside. And if you know Jia's problem, then you might know that she can't walk, so she's always in my arms or in a pram. So yeah, this is best for her. So yeah, that's why I thought I should take this, and the cost of this is just 100 rupees. The second thing is again Jia's sandals, cute little yellow color, as you can see, and it has all these pink stars, yellow apples and everything, and price was also like 200 rupees, and I thought she's going to love this because she loves yellow nowadays a lot. So yeah, and this is a kind of lock system from here which is very comfortable, which goes with the shape of her legs, so that's why. So few days ago, if you remember, I had given this winter cap to Jia on Children's Day, I guess, yes, and I purchased one more, and this is not for Jia, this I bought for Dugu, that is my cousin's son, and I'm going to visit Durgapur once, so I thought I should take this for him. This is so cute, and this was also just for like 100 rupees. Next thing again I bought for my cousin, and this is a normal, what do you call this, stole or thin shawl, whatever you want to call it. It's very colorful. I purchased this for my cousin because I think it will go on any suit also, or if you are you can take this on your t-shirt, or you can use it in many ways. So the price of this is also 100 rupees. Next I purchased these cute little frames, and with this I also bought. Now I don't think I should tell about this right now because there's a little surprise for you all, but or I should tell you. No, leave, I think I should just keep this as a surprise as per now, but in short I can just tell you that I got these beautiful blushes, with that 2 Miss Claire eyeshadows. I cannot swatch it, but still I think I can at least show you all the shades. The Miss Claire eyeshadow palettes look like this, very classy. I just love the packaging, and these are the beautiful shades. The other palette is having different colors, but I don't think I'll just show that now, so I'll keep it back. And I just want to tell you that with this I also have to add on few things, and then I think I should open my I should declare my surprise that time. So let's keep it aside for now. I also got this, I know this is available like everywhere, but still I got this because I have one family function which I have to attend, so that's why I thought I should take this. This was just for like 150 rupees, and it will go, as you know, blingy Jyoti is like, in other words, I just love blingy stuff, so that's why I purchased this, and this will go well with your sarees, suits, anything, and it will even make your simple outfit look bomb. So that's why I have taken this. It's just a simple clutch type purse, which you can say. It has a chain here. It also has a back chain here where you can keep your phone, money, or whatever you want to. It also had a small thin layer of chain, which I don't know where I kept, because I generally don't use that chain system. I just carry this in my hand. Actually, next I purchased these beautiful glasses for me, and every time I go Esplanade, I love glasses. I don't know I'll wear them or no, but still if I see, and it was like just for 100 rupees, so that's why I purchased this. It does not look cheap at all. If you can see properly, then the handle has these animal print designs all over it, and also here. And I think it's not bad for like 100 rupees. Also, I want to add on that Payal had sent a small, cute, little, colorful monkey frame for Gio, and she wanted to, she asked me to give this to Gio on behalf of her. She was also looking for many other things, and I was like, next time. So, thank you, Payal. Next thing I bought is this light blue color sweater, and it is like full sleeves, as you can see. And when I tried this at home, it becomes like crop top kind of, like you can call this as a crop sweater, I guess so, because this is little short, but I just love this. And this was, guys, this was just for like 100 rupees. And there was like itna bheed tha, and me and Payal were, wahan kya chal raha hai? When we reached there, it was like sweaters for like 100 rupees, and we were like, toot pado. Still, I just got 2 sweaters from there, and the second one is this light pink color, if you can see, and its sleeves is kind of what do we say, this type of sleeves. Please do understand and cooperate. And this is, I must tell you that this is very heavy one. I noticed that, but still I wanted to take this. It has a very big neck here and also a chain here. I've tried this. This looks very, very beautiful. This was also for like 100 rupees. So that was all for my today's video. I hope you liked this video, and if you did so, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you don't know how to subscribe, or if you're in doubt that how to subscribe and all that, then don't worry, just click on my face. See, I'm doing so much for you all. Just click on this face, if you can see, click there, and that's it. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.